Please check the product information on the side of the box to confirm that the products are correct, including model and color. And record the vehicle's serial number for warranty. Use a knife to cut the strap and the tape over the box. Cut the cardboard along the edges with a knife. Use flat nose pliers to cut the upper seat stainless steel cable wires, and on the bike's bottom front wheels, and detach them from the crate. Leave the fixed wires of the bottom rear wheels temporarily uncut. Use a 10mm socket and a 10mm wrench to unscrew the bolts on the top of the iron frame. Make sure to keep the top frame on top of the side support rods to prevent the top frame from falling and scratching the body. Unscrew the screws on the 4 side frame columns and remove the frame columns. Remove the crate top. Remove the supporting bars. Raise the bike side kickstand. Cut off the fixing wire of the bottom rear wheel. Kick down the center stand. Loosen the bolt and nut from the steel bracket. Remove the fixed iron frame of the front of the bike. Use scissors to cut off the plastic packaging of the bike body. Carefully remove the front end from the package and insert the front center axle into the axle hole. Be careful not to scratch the body panels. Remove bike-related spare parts from the seat cushion and prepare for installation. They are the front cover, front bracket, use the key to open the seat storage and take out the mirrors, charger and accessory bag. In the accessory bag, you will find all the hardware needed for the installation. Adjust the handlebar and align it at the screw hole position. Insert the bolts and tighten the locking nuts. Thread in the nut by hand for a few turns. Fully tighten the bolt with tools. Carefully remove the front panel from the package. Align the front panel with the screw clip. And use a screwdriver to tighten the 4 screws to fix the front panel. Take out the front bracket from the package. Install the front bracket and use 10mm sleeve locking bolts to fix the front bracket and front panel. And use a 10mm socket to tighten the bolts, securing the front bracket to the front panel. Take out the rear view mirror from the box. Gently remove the cover. Check the left and right marks on the rear view mirror. Referring to the marks, rotate the screw into the left and right sides of the front of the bike respectively. After adjusting the position and angle of the rear view mirror, use a 14mm external hex wrench to lock the rear view mirror. Repeat the same procedures for the other side. Take out the crank and pedals from the packaging bag. There are symbols on the crank and pedal indicating which side it should be installed. Check the symbol and put it on the right side. Use a 12mm socket wrench to fasten the crank onto the pedal spindle using the bolts. Use a 15mm wrench to lock the left pedal counterclockwise and the right pedal clockwise. Install saddlebags and tailbox. This is optional accessories. Prepare the left and right side box brackets, left and right side boxes, and tail box. Open the storage box and remove the rear tail rack of the bike. Assemble the saddlebag bracket. And install the saddlebag bracket on the rear tail bracket, which has just been removed from the bike. Install the rear tail bracket back to the bike. Install left and right saddle boxes. Open the tail box. Remove the tail box fixed bottom plate, tail box fixing frame, and tail box upper cover shelf. Install the tail box base. Install the base cover. Install the tailbox. And tighten the tailbox positioning bolts. Use self-tapping screws to install the trunk rack. Make sure the two screws that secure the power wires are fully tightened. Check the storage compartment light. Check the ignition. Check all remote functions, remote start alarm unlock warning. Inspect the bike's exterior. Turn on the ignition. Check throttle function, including kill switch cruise control. Check the brake lights. Check the headlights, high and low beams. Check the left and right turn signals and emergency lights. Test the steering lock.